Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Asad Yaqub here. And you know what I do? I guide you, I instruct you, I advise you, and these advices and guidelines and instructions help you achieve your desired bench score in IELTS. Okay, guys. Now, I'm going to talk to you about IELTS writing module. I know many students, after watching my videos, they don't get satisfied whenever they go to coaching centers, and then they ask me this question: sir, is that necessary to go to a coaching center to get 7 band in IELTS? And my answer is no. I mean, coaching center and the band score, it has got no relation. If you are dedicated and you know how to teach yourself, if you are good at self-learning, YouTube is your resource. So you can get even 8 band without going to any coaching center. I have dozens of examples of the students who just watched my videos and they achieved more than their desired band. Now, today I'm going to talk to you about writing. Cambridge IELTS books 1 to 18. Each book contains 4 practice tests, and these 4 practice tests contain number 1 listening, number 2 reading, number 3 writing, and number 4 speaking. Now, today I would like to talk to you about writing. There are essays, there are reports, and for general training there are letters. At the end of the book, they have given sample answers, and these sample answers have been written by IELTS examiners. And I tell you one more thing, Cambridge IELTS book number 18, right, very recent book, book number 18 contains sample answers written by IELTS examiners and evaluated by IELTS examiners. Okay, so just grab a copy of book number 18. There are 4 essay topics, 4 reports in that, and then there are sample answers written by IELTS examiners. Now, when the answer has been written by IELTS examiner, it's going to get 7, 8 or even 9 bench score. So, you know, if you want to become a good motivational speaker, you have to idealize a motivational speaker. If you wish to become a teacher, you need to idealize a teacher. If you wish to write good essays, you need to idealize the essays which have been written by examiner. Now, what to do? Cambridge IELTS books, essays are given in the end of the book. The essays that carry 5 band, 4 band, 5.5, don't read them. Minimum 6 band essay, 6.5 band essay, 7 band essay. Read those essays and rewrite, and read very carefully. You should have careful analytical skills. What are those skills? Read the essay carefully. What do I mean by that? First the topic, then understand, okay, this is opinion or discussion. Then observe introduction. How many sentences? What is written in each sentence? What type of vocabulary has been used? What is first sentence? What is second? What is third? And then body, paragraphs, number of paragraphs. What is the main point in each paragraph? What is the layout of the paragraph? Main idea, explanation of main idea, example related to main idea, and conclusion of the paragraph. One body paragraph completed here, then next body paragraph. So analyze, observe, and whenever you come across new grammatical structure, new vocabulary word, new structure of the language, you need to ponder upon that and try to note it down somewhere, and then try to use that structure. Like in book 18, 4 samples, 4 writing samples, and they have used conditional sentences quite a lot. So you need to learn to use conditional sentences. Use conditional sentences in your own essays, and you're going to get maximum bench score. Writing has been a problem, and some students believe that for writing they need teachers, they need language teachers, they need IELTS coaching center. But let me tell you, if you idealize essays and try to write like them automatically, and if you read the essays analytically, your brain will absorb all these things, and when you produce your own essay, your brain will actually help you with all the stuff you absorb, and then you can just write good essays. Okay, this is time taking, and you need to take action. Practically, you'll have to do it. I mean, by watching videos, you cannot get your desired band. By watching videos, you need to take action into the direction I give you in the video, and then you will get your desired band score. So no results without action. Okay, if you say, sir, I have watched all your videos but there is no improvement because you don't practice. You just idealize and you watch my videos but you don't practice. So practice is going to help you get your desired band in IELTS. All the best, guys. Thank you so much. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus in Lahore, and we offer IELTS test booking service all over Pakistan. If you are interested, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub wholeheartedly wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.